Hello, my name is Monica Kavathakar, and I'm currently a junior at Cumberland Valley High School in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. For a while, I lived almost entirely in my own world, ignorant of the outside universe. I don't want to live that way anymore. There are people around the world who are still fighting for basic human rights. As I researched these issues, I began to realize that they not only affect people all around the world, they affect myself and others very close to me. Sure, it's probably easier for a teenager like me to laugh at that racist joke, but that doesn't mean I should. As a member of the younger generation, I want to change the way teens like me think about internalized sexism, racism, and homophobia. I want to make everyone realize that their words could seriously hurt their peers. Because how can society ever expect homosexual people to be content when everyone still laughs at the kid using gay as a synonym for stupid? And how can we expect the children of immigrants to be happy in America when their accents are constantly made the butt of jokes? I'm passionate about achieving social justice in my community so that each person feels competent and equal. Thank you.